Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be reviewing the top 5 best mini fans of 2024. These compact yet powerful devices are perfect for keeping you cool on the go, whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling. We'll be diving into their unique features, performance, and value for money. Stay tuned until the end to discover which mini fan stands out as the ultimate choice for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without further delay, let's start the video. Number 5. The Comlife 10,000 mAh Rechargeable Camping Fan. Number 4. The Honeywell Turbo on-the-go fan. Number 3. The HandFan Misting Fan. Number 2. The Jisulife Bladeless Neck Cooler Fan. Number 1. The Milwaukee M18 Jobsite Fan.